Hello all, I welcome you to this presentation of project on the Three Gorges Dam. I have with me my teammates Mr. Arman, Trushank and Ranjit with me who have continuously worked to make this project better. We are the students of Rajaramappa Institute of Technology and we have this project under a subject named Advanced Construction Techniques, and we have a teacher with us to guide us in every region of the project. Professor Mayur Maske sir, he had guided us through the entire project. What actually this project is? So this is about the Three Gorges Dam. It is built on a Yangtze River in China. So you can see the images for this civil beauty. It is 2 kilometer long dam. You can have that imagination from these photos how much massive construction it is. So where it is actually located is it is located in Andaupung in Iling district of Yichang, which is Hubei province in China. So this dam is named Three Gorges because of the regions it covers, that is Kotang Gorge, Wuzia Gorge and Ziling Gorge. That is Three Gorges, and you can see the location map of the dam. It will give you the clear idea about, and there is a Shanghai city nearby, Wuhan, Yichang and all these cities. And satellite map is also provided side by. So what is the duration of this project, means how much it construct this mass construction work. So it was started in 1993 and the construction work was going on till 2009. So it was constructed in 3 phases, like you can see in the table nearby. In 1993 preparatory phase was there, then phase 1 was started in 1994 where earth moving started, and in 1997 phase 1 completed after the closure and diversion of the Yangtze River. Then phase 2 was started in 1998, that was a temporary ship lock is put into the operation, and in 2003 the reservoir is filled up to like 130 meter up to the height, and then phase 3 started. The double length ship lock is put into operation, and finally in 2009 they have completed this massive project. So how much money it took for this project to build massive project? So you can see height of this project is 181 meters, like 181 meters upside, means you can imagine the hugeness of this dam, and it stores a lot of backwater. You can see in the location map. And how much money did it take, means like 20,300 crores Chinese yuan it took to build this dam, and US dollars price is 31.765 billion US dollars it took to build this project.
Then we will be discuss about a peculiarity. A Three Gorges Dam is straight crushed concrete gravity structure. The Three Gorges Dam is 2,335 meter, that is 7,660 feet long, with a maximum height of 185 meter, that is 607 feet. It incorporated 28 million cubic meter, that is 37 million cubic yard of concrete and 4,63,000 metric tons of steel into its design. The ship lift is the part of this dam. The first part is entering the lift. We can see in this picture, vessel is the ship camber, which is recommended a draft or depth of almost 9 feet and height of 60 feet. The camber can handle boat that displace a maximum of 3,000 metric tons of water or 7,93,000 gallon. The second part is the camber rises. The camber is made of reinforcement concrete and it's suspended from 256 cable attached to counterweight. When the counterweight go down, the camber rises. The third part is existing the lift at the top of lift camber level of with the water high side of the dam. The steel gate open and vessel exits the camber. We can see that in this picture. Then discuss about the problem created due to massive construction of this dam in point-wise. First is more sedimentation in upper river bed and Three Gorges reservoir. Second is straight to downstream river bank and Yangtze River delta. Third is many aquatic creatures are endangered. Fourth, increase the geological disaster. 5. Climatic change of Yangtze River basin. 6. Lots of cultural relics and historical sites were submerged. 7. The spread of schistosomes westward. And 8 is large human migrated of over 1.2 million. We can see in this picture.
I am explaining about the size of Three Gorges Dam. The height of Three Gorges Dam is about 594 feet. In meters we can say 181 meters, and the length is about 7,770 feet. The dam creates the Three Gorges Reservoir, which has a surface area of about 400 square miles. It means that it is spread over a 1045 square kilometers and extends super stream from the dam about 370 miles. Then next we have to go to power generation capacity of Three Gorges Dam. It is installed capacity of Three Gorges Dam is 22,500 megavolt. The Three Gorges Dam is world largest capacity hydroelectric power station with 34 generators, 32 main generators, each with a capacity of 700 megavolt, and 2 plant power generators, each with capacity of 50 megavolt, making a total capacity of 22,500 megavolt. Annual electricity generation in 2015 was 87 terawatt hours, which is 20 times more than the Hoor Dam.
Till now, you have come to know that the Three Gorges Dam is the largest dam on the earth, and for this massive construction work, the equipments that were used was also in that proportion. So we will discuss about the equipments that were used for this construction. So hydraulic metal structures and construction machinery that includes CNC milling and flame cutting machines and powerful bore honing machines. And this all equipments, most of the equipments were developed by the company named PowerChina, and they designed and manufactured thousands of tons of metal components and more than 3,000 pieces of equipments for water conservancy and hydropower projects, including large size hydraulic gates, bridges, ship lifts and cableways. The 12 spillway gates and 24 gates on the permanent ship locks for the Three Gorges project are recognized as the highest level of ship lock steel structures in China. Moreover, the hoisting winches, hydraulic hoist and the gantry cranes have been recognized as the prestigious brand of Sichuan province, while the overhead traveling cranes have been used in lifting turbine generators units in power plants and handling materials at the docks. Our China company has developed luffing, radial and parallel traveling cableways. 47 cable cranes were used at the Three Gorges project. So you can see here in the images, the first image is of gantry crane model that is still standing on the Three Gorges Dam. And second image is cableways for concrete placement at construction site. And the third and most important image is the gate of the world's largest ship lock that were installed at the Three Gorges Dam site. Then fourth image you can see here. Fourth image is about the gantry crane model. And the fifth image is two-way gantry crane, and it was being erected on the crest of spillway section. Then Another type of equipments that were used in the construction was for power generation. So boiler feed water pumps were used for power generation. Valves, fans, coal mining also used. Then for port and material conveying equipments, that includes stackers, reclaimers, ship loaders and unloaders, tipper system, and finally the transmission and distribution equipment for power grids. That includes fitting and accessories, jumper spacers, double vertical suspension strings for single bundle conductor, iron towers that include switch gears and controls, transformers, concrete electric poles. You can see in the images that assembled hydraulic trailer engine. How huge is that? That truck is moving that engine. Then 90T launching entry. Then portal type bucket wheels are there. Then carrying works or Shanghai Kunming high speed railway. Okay, so such huge equipments were used for this construction of the dam. So you can this is all from our side. If you want more information, we have provided with these reference links in the description box. You can refer to that. So finally, I thank all of you for this video, listening to this video. Thank you.